Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best fitness folding treadmill 2023 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Fitness Folding Treadmill. Foldable design. With the Fitness Folding Treadmill, performing your cardio workout will be more enjoyable and convenient. This innovative fitness equipment is both performant and a space-saving solution, as it can be folded with no effort, so you can. Sports app connection. Our foldable treadmill features a sports app connection that can help you stay engaged and focused during your training. Also, with full access to a wide range of fitness sessions, our treadmill will help you shake things up in your high performance. This professional home workout equipment can help you achieve your fitness goals and stay active. It has a maximum speed of 7.5 and 16 preset training programs that can help you perform high-intensity cardio training in the comfort. Custom fitness session. The Fitness Treadmill for home features adjustable speed settings and 3 incline options, so you can build your custom training program. Number 4. Nordic Track Folding Treadmill. 30-day IFIT membership included. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Elite trainers adjust your equipment. 10% incline controls. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With IFIT, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20x55 tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. Flex-Select deck cushioning protects your joints. Folding space-saver design. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. Innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run for compact, simple storage. Auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide entertainment. Number 3. Proform Folding Treadmill. 10 Smart HD Touchscreen. Immerse yourself in every workout with IFIT Global Workouts and studio classes using the 10 touchscreen. Easily control your workout, track your stats, or navigate the interface in seconds. Cool Air Workout Fan. Complete your workout in comfort. With built-in ventilation whenever you need it, you'll get a refreshing breeze at the touch of a button every time you train indoors. Folding space-saver design. Run your way without running out of space. Easy Lift Assist and transport wheels allow you to easily fold the deck up and out of the way to reclaim your square footage between each workout. 30-day IFIT family membership included. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Number 2. Xterra Folding Treadmill. Performance. Smooth and quiet high torque 2.25 HP motor powers the treadmill at speeds from 0 to 10 mph. 24 preset programs provide challenging workout variations for an effective and engaging experience. 10 levels of electronic incline help you control the intensity of your workout. The durable heavy-gauge steel frame provides a stable and smooth performance every time you press start. Intuitive 5.5 blue backlit LCD display is easy to read and keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. Technology. Easy-to-read display with a simple, intuitive interface puts your most important stats front and center. Monitor time, speed, distance, and calories. Lift Assist and Safe Drop folding deck technology makes setup and storage safe and easy. Handlebar mounted speed and incline controls provide you with a secondary location to change your workout intensity. They are right where you need them for a comfortable and secure workout. Number 1. Spirit Folding Treadmill. 7.5 blue backlit LCD. A 7.5 blue backlit LCD screen that conveniently displays 9 pieces of data at a time to keep you informed and motivated. Powerful motor. Whether you plan on walking or running, the X185's 2.75 HP motor provides a speed range of 0.5 which will give you plenty of options to tailor your workout. Incremental adjustments of 0.1 are great for beginners and getting a good warm-up. Direct access speeds and incline keys. The ability to quickly select a specific speed or incline with just a few key strikes. The console also features a built-in tablet rack and cooling fan. Folding design. Lift Assist helps when lifting to fold up the treadmill deck, while the Safe Drop feature slowly lowers the treadmill deck for added safety. Award-winning. The X185 was recognized as a Best Buy pick by online leading source for independent fitness equipment reviews. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.